So here I am starting hacker ranks first question of Python. It's related to print function, and basically the question says that we'll read the question first. And basically the question says that print the list of integers from 0 to n as a string without spaces. And basically the sample input is like we will input a number, and then we'll have to print all the list of integers from 0 to n using it. So we will first see which Python language it is in, and we will be using Python 3. And some code is written earlier, but I won't be using that. So for this what I am going to do is I will take a variable n and input a number. Then I will be taking a for loop for I in range. I am not sure why it is coming so soon, but I can easily do it using for loop, so I would be using that. And I will take the range from 1 to n plus 1. We will take n plus 1 because for loop, if the range is given a to b, then it will iterate from integer a to integer b minus 1. That's why I'll take n minus 1, and then I'll just simply i print I. And if I'll do just print I, it will be going after I is printed once, it will the cursor will move with it onto the second line, and we don't want that. We want all of it to be printed in same line. So I'll put a comma, and then I'll use end, and then semicolon open and then quotes open and quotes close. By this it will be printed in the same line. So I'll be submitting the code. Let's see how it goes. As you can see, the code has successfully passed test case 0, test case 1 and test case 2. So by this we can say that our code was successful. Suppose we don't need to put any spaces in between. Suppose if we put space in between like this, then the output will still be same. The output would still be same, but wrong answer. Input standard expected output. So I don't know why the answer is coming wrong, but you can see as the input comes wrong. This is because we have used the space in between. If we are using space in between, that means it will print 1 space 2 space 3. It won't print as a single value, but it will print with spaces. So to avoid that error, we would be using just double quotes open, double quotes close, without any other things. So that's all for the first problem of HackerRank's Python.